Hey guys, what's up? Asus recently added two new flagships to its arsenal with the launch of Zenfone 8 and the Zenfone 8 Flip. But it seems the company could be working on yet another powerhouse of a device, as just hours ago XDA developers were stopped by China's TENA certification website spotting a new Asus phone but with a Snapdragon branding. As you can see in the renders, the phone has a prominent Snapdragon logo and branding right in the middle, which you don't usually see on a smartphone. But then why we are seeing this? Well, there's a short backstory behind this. If you remember, there was a report last year from DigiTimes which pointed to a tie-up between Qualcomm and Asus working together to deliver a Qualcomm branded gaming phone. However, we never heard anything about this device after that report until now, as it is possible that what we are looking at in this TENA listing could be the jointly developed gaming phone from Qualcomm and Asus. And not only that, it reveals the existence of the joint venture smartphone, but the listing also gives us some key specifications of the smartphone. Starting off with the dimensions, the phone is said to come with the above measurement, weighing 217.7 grams. It features a 6.78-inch OLED display along with an octa-core processor clocked at 2.84 GHz, ostensibly the Snapdragon 888, though with a relatively dwarfish battery size of 3840 mAh, which seems small considering the display size. In terms of internal hardware, there will be 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of fixed storage, which I think is more than enough and a good one for a gaming smartphone. Alongside, you are also getting a triple rear camera setup headlined by a 64 megapixel lens and a 12 megapixel selfie snapper up front. Interestingly enough, it also looks like there is a 3.5mm port on board according to the listed specs. But it baffles me as to why there's a rear fingerprint scanner when the filing explicitly mentions an in-display sensor. In any case, it is worth noting that some of the specs seem broadly in line with the vanilla Zenfone 8, such as the apparent inclusion of 3.5mm port, a battery that's roughly in line with Zenfone 8's 4000 mAh pack, and the main selfie camera shooter along with the main sensor. But there are certain differences too, such as the Zenfone 8 had a dual rear camera system compared to this phone's triple sensor layout, and it offered a much smaller screen. Either way, this is very intriguing revelation. However, it is very well possible that Snapdragon branding on the back is hinting at Asus prototyping a device for certification, but that doesn't mean that we get our hopes too high so early, cause many prototypes fail to see the light of the retail market. That being said, please do comment your views on the smartphone as to whether this could be a possible entry of Qualcomm in the smartphone market, and are you excited enough to see the chipmaker make its own smartphones? But above all, if you want us to deliver such interesting updates on the tech avenue, then please like and share this video while also consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.